Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the recent shakeup within the Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association, or ZNLWVA. This significant shift in leadership has sparked a lot of debates and speculation, so let's break it all down. First up, the controversy surrounding the ZNLWVA Congress held in Gweru. This Congress was supposed to resolve long-standing leadership disputes among factions led by Elias Marashwa, Ethan Mathibela, and outgoing leader Christopher Mutsvangwa. But here's the kicker. A High Court order was in place, requiring these factions to settle their differences legally before proceeding. Despite this, the Congress went ahead, leading to Mutsvangwa's ousting and Cephas Nincube's victory. Critics, including Edward Dube, argue that the Congress violated the court order, rendering it invalid. They stress the importance of respecting legal processes and achieving a unified resolution. On the other hand, Marashwa, one of the key figures in the court case, remains hopeful for an amicable solution, underscoring the need for unity among war veterans. Adding fuel to the fire are reports suggesting that President Emmerson Mnangagwa backed the Congress. This raises questions about whether the event was part of a strategy to sideline Mutsvangwa ahead of Mnangagwa's bid for a third term. Intriguing, right? Moving on to the leadership change itself. Christopher Mutsvangwa, who had been leading the ZNLWVA since 2013, was decisively defeated, receiving only 11 votes and finishing fourth in the election. Cephas Nincube from Bulawayo province emerged as the new chairman with a commanding 294 votes. He's joined by Sharai Nyamangondo as deputy chairman and Joel Murarengwa as secretary general. This shift marks a significant change in the organization's leadership, especially given its close ties with the ruling ZANU PF party. The War Veterans Association has always been influential in Zimbabwean politics, and this change could have far-reaching implications for ZANU PF's internal dynamics and succession strategies. Now, let's talk about the implications for ZANU PF's succession and President Mnangagwa's potential third term. Mutsvangwa's removal is seen by some as part of a broader strategy to consolidate support for Mnangagwa within the party, potentially paving the way for his continued leadership. Mutsvangwa's ambitions and his perceived lack of a strong political base reportedly created friction with Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, a likely contender for the presidency. The timing of the Congress, ahead of Mnangagwa's 2028 term end, fuels speculation about the president's intentions and the role of the War Veterans Association in his political future. However, the legality of the Congress remains a concern, with potential legal challenges looming over the newly elected leadership. The ongoing court case involving Marashwa, Mathibela and Mutsvangwa adds another layer of complexity, leaving the future of the ZNLWVA and its impact on Zimbabwean politics uncertain. To wrap things up, the recent developments in the ZNLWVA are more than just a change in leadership. They're a window into the broader political maneuvers within Zimbabwe. Whether these changes will bring about unity or further division remains to be seen. What's clear is that the War Veterans Association will continue to play a pivotal role in the country's political landscape. That's it for today's deep dive. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on political events around the world. See you next time.